Guys, we are back. Good evening, good morning, or good afternoon. As always, it is so great to see you. And friend, welcome to Photography Talk episode 83. Now, in this week in news, we've got some details about an awesome giveaway with Printique in which you could win a professional mirrorless camera. And we also have details to share with you about the delays on the Nikon Z FC, as well as news of a phone that has a drone built into it. Pretty crazy stuff. But first, I want to give a huge shout out to a good friend of mine, the like button down below. And as you can see, he's right below me and he looks a little bit lonely if you ask me, but there's something that you can do about that. Just move your finger or the cursor over the like button and give him a little love tap. You're going to find out when you do so, the like button will turn blue, which, as I understand, is a sign that he's really happy. And when the like button is happy, hey, friend, I am happy. By tapping on the like button, you really are sharing the love. So when this video is over, take a moment to say hi to the like button and show him a little love. And of course, hey, it really does help this channel out with the YouTube algorithm. So friend, really do appreciate it. Now, let's get on to this week's headlines. Now, if you need to upgrade your camera, you have a chance to get one for free from the folks over at Printique. Now, summer is calling and Printique wants you to get out, enjoy, and go big. So all you have to do is upload your favorite summer photo or your favorite summer spot by July 18th, 2021, and you could win a professional mirrorless camera body, a 40x60 metal print, or be featured in the Adorama Manhattan store. And I'll say this much, you may recall yesterday, I published a video on color theory, and in there, I showed off a print that I just ordered from these guys. Now, this was my first print that I had ordered from these guys, and I pointed out in the video, I didn't know what to expect. The print came through and it socked it out of the park. This print is pretty badass. So anyways, you can upload your photo on Printique's website. The link to do so is in the description below. And Printique's creative team, what they're going to do is they're going to determine the winners from there. Now, the grand prize winner gets their choice of either a Nikon Z6 Mark II, a Canon EOS R, or a Sony Alpha A7 III. I always screw that up. I always want to say a Mark III, but it's just A7 III. So head over to Printique, upload your photo, and you, my friend, might be the lucky winner. Now, in news that is completely unsurprising, Nikon has announced that it doesn't have enough supply of their ZFC cameras to fulfill orders. Now, the expectation was that the ZFC would ship later on this month, but it seems that not everybody that pre-ordered one of these suckers is going to get it on time. Why are the delays unsurprising? Well, there are two reasons for this. First, I'm sure that due to parts, or basically the parts shortages that's caused by the pandemic. Second, my hunch is that Nikon underestimated how much demand there would be for this camera. After all, it was only officially announced, man, just a few weeks ago, and already they're delayed. So it's safe to assume that the number of orders have been way more than what Nikon anticipated on, which could be a good thing for them. Now, in terms of revised delivery date, Nikon has only said that it may take some time before the product is delivered. Now, they have also said that they will do their best to deliver the product as soon as possible. Now, I don't know, this sounds a little ambiguous, but hopefully they're gonna get things in line and get these things shipped out pretty fast. But since Nikon has experienced shortages and the delays for, well over a year, those of you that ordered one of these ZFC cameras, you might have to wait quite a while to get your hands on one. So if you've been waiting for the day that a cell phone would have a built-in drone to be announced, today, my friend, is your lucky day. I know this sounds really like something out of the Minority Report movie, but this is actually real life. Vivo is developing a phone that has a tiny drone that slides out of the body of this device. The drone can be used then to take selfies with this integrated camera. In fact, the drone has two cameras, one that is facing forward and the other is facing down. It has 3 infrared sensors to help this thing from crashing into nearby obstacles. Now, the patent for this thing also explains that the drone will be able to stay in a single position when shooting or changing position if needed, and that the movement will be controlled by, you guessed it, the smartphone. Now, this is just an idea at this point, and so there's really no guarantee that this thing will be actually produced. And you know, I'm kind of on the fence with this thing here. I can see how this could be a pretty handy feature, though a drone that smart would face all sorts of problems. Mainly, you know, think about it, trying to keep that thing still with any sort of breeze. After all, the rotors are going to be really, really small in a drone that small that's going to slide into a phone. But here's my biggest concern with this here. When you put a drone and a mainstream item like this, you're going to have Darwin recipients out there, people that are just not thinking with this thing. Look at what happened with drones over the last 10, 15 years. You have so many laws coming out. I can see this thing going out will probably be a big hit with a lot of the kids and so forth. And there's going to be all sorts of laws that are going to ban these things from flying out there, which is going to fall into other drone laws out there. Who knows? What do you think about this? Are you excited to see a drone inside of a cell phone? Is that something that you would go out there and running down to go pick up? Leave a comment below. Well, we'll see what happens, but in the near future, you might be able to buy a phone with a built-in drone if that's going to be your thing. Either way, let's move on and discuss our current giveaway. Here are the prizes we have available. A Razer Core X eGPU, a pneumatic shoulder bag, and a $100 Adorama gift card. As always, entering the giveaway is really simple. Step 1, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Step 2, leave a comment below. In fact, the more of our videos that you watch and leave a comment on, the more chances that you have to win. So get watching some of our other videos and leave some comments. Step 3, register on Photography Talk and introduce yourself in the forum. Now, if you registered on the site and introduced yourself during one of the last giveaways, you're still eligible to win. But as I keep saying, swing on by, say hello. We would love to see you. And friend, that is it. For complete details on the giveaway, including how to register on Photography Talk and how to say hello in the forum, check out the description below. Good luck. All right, guys, there you go. Photography Talk episode 83. As always, man, I love getting in front of you each and every week with these little bite-sized little news nuggets. Now, of course, I'm going to ask you to do all the YouTube stuff. That is always so helpful to the channel. Hit that like button if you were mildly entertained, if you found some value with this video. If you're currently not subscribed to the channel, hey, what are you waiting for? We would love to have you part of that family. Hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Smash, kick that bell so that you're notified each time that we come out with a new video. My friend, I'm going to be getting out of my office now, so you get out there, stay healthy, and create your best shot.